Hello dear students, welcome to the Chittagong Engineering University School and College online classroom. I am Kamrul Nahar, Assistant Teacher, Chittagong Engineering University School and College, Shuet, Raujan, Chattogram. Hope you are well by the grace of Almighty, and I also hope you are maintaining your personal hygiene and washing your hands and staying at home. Let's have a look on some pictures. What can you see in these pictures? I guess you know that person, this personality. You know our leader Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman. What is he? He is the father of our nation. So, I think you guess what is our topic today? Our topic is the father of our nation. It is in chapter 10, the father of our nation. If we learn this lesson, then we'll know some objectives about him. The main objectives are: know about the early life of Bangabandhu, learn from his political life, know about the role of Bangabandhu in the War of Liberation, how did Bangabandhu sacrifice his life for our nation. The father of our nation, first topic, the early life of Bangabandhu. Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman is the father of our nation. He was born on 17 March 1920 in Tungipara, a village in Gopalganj district. His nickname was Khoka. The name of his father is Sheikh Lutfur Rahman and his mother's name is Saira Khatun. He started school at Gimadanga Primary School at the age of 7. After 2 years, he was admitted to the Gopalganj Public School. His secondary education was at Gopalganj Mission High School. In higher education, he achieved his IA and BA at Islamic College in Kolkata and was admitted to Dhaka University, Department of Law. From that time, Bangabandhu was involved in protest for the rights of Bengalis. He had to go to jail many times because of his leadership in such movement. So, dear students, what can we guess? Bangabandhu was a liberation. Bangabandhu was influenced or involved in protest of the rights of Bengalis. So he had to go to jail many times. In 1966, he declared a 6-point demand for the liberation of the people of East Bengal. You know, our Bangladesh was a part of Pakistan. It was named the East Bengal. In the election of 1970, his party, the Awami League, won by a big majority. That means he achieved more votes, most of the votes as the leader of Awami League. Therefore, the next government of Pakistan should have been formed under the leadership of Bangabandhu. But the rulers of Pakistan started conspiracy. For that conspiracy, Bangabandhu could not form government. So, let's have a look on some questions that you should learn. When was Bangabandhu born? At what age did he start primary school? Which primary school did he go to? What subject did he study at university? Which year did he declare his 6-point demand? I think you will find out the answers from the text. Then, fill in the timeline in 1920. What happened in 1920? What happened in 1927 and 29, 1966 and 1970? You will fill the blank. Then you will take the right answer. At which mission high school did Bangabandhu get his secondary education? I think you will find out the answer and find out more about Bangabandhu's early life. Now, the topic Bangabandhu and the Liberation War. How did Bangabandhu contribute in the War of Liberation? We'll know about this will know in this topic. On 7 March 1971, at the Racecourse Maidan in Dhaka, Bangabandhu called for independence. On the night of 25 March, the Pakistan army attacked the unarmed Bengalis. Bangabandhu declared independence in the early hours of 26 March. Immediately after, the Pakistan army arrested Bangabandhu and imprisoned him in Pakistan. But the whole nation followed Bangabandhu's call to war. The War of Liberation went on for 9 months. We achieved victory on 16 December 1971. Bangladesh became independent under the leadership of Bangabandhu. That's why he is called the father of nation. After the war was over, Bangabandhu was released from jail in Pakistan and came back to independent Bangladesh on 10 January 1972. He was a great leader in building up a new Bangladesh. But Bangabandhu, along with his family, were martyred on 15 August 1975 by a group of conspirators. His death was a very sad and irrecoverable loss for our country. However, we will follow him in working for the good of Bangladesh. Our topic is completed. Then you will answer the questions. In which year did Bangladesh achieve independence? How long did the War of Independence last? Where was Bangabandhu during the war? When did he return? What happened in 1975? And then fill in the timeline for 1971. What happened on 7 March, on 25 March and 26 March, then 16 December. You will fill up by following the topic. Then you will take the right answer. On what date did Bangladesh declare independence? And I hope you will answer correctly by following the text. And then I have given some keywords. The keywords is very easy. You will get it by reading the topic. I am reading the keywords then so that you can guess the meaning. The father of our nation, father of the nation, Jatir Pita. Immediately তৎক্ষণাৎ বা তখনই, arrested গ্রেফতার, nickname ডাক নাম, imprisoned আটক বা বন্দী, released মুক্ত, victory বিজয়, martyred শহীদ, conspirator ষড়যন্ত্রকারী, irrecoverable অপূরণীয়, achieved অর্জিত, involved যুক্ত, protest or movement আন্দোলন, leadership নেতৃত্ব, declared ঘোষিত, 6-point demand 6 দফা দাবি, the war of liberation স্বাধীনতা যুদ্ধ, majority সংখ্যাগরিষ্ঠতা, conspiracy ষড়যন্ত্র, independence স্বাধীনতা. So dear students, you will learn carefully and follow my reading so that you can read properly. That's all for today. Hope you will keep yourself safe and stay home. Thank you.